In this example we need to hide column A to C. First we need to create a button. Go to Developer tab. If you don't have Developer tab, right-click on Empty Place inside the menu bars, then click on Customize the ribbon, then you can check the Developer checkbox. Then on Developer tab, click on Insert, then click on Toggle Button, then press left-click on Drag the mouse to a desired size, then release the left-click, the button will appear on the screen. Select the button, then click on Properties on Developer tab, shorten the name of the button, for this example is Button 1, you can use any name, then change the back color, font family and font size until it's reached a desired button style. In this example we need to hide column A to C, find the VBA code in description of this video, and edit accordingly. The button name is Button 1, replace all X with Button 1. The column range is A to C because we need to hide column A, B, and C all together. Then if the button 1. Value clicked, hide the range 1 which is the column A to C, the caption of the button 1 will be show the range for example. Then if the button 1 clicked a second time, then show the range 1, and the caption of button 1 will be hide the range. Copy the entire code, double-click on a button, the VBA window will open, paste the button VBA window, and save the code, then save as the sheet as Excel macro-enabled workbook. Close the current sheet, then open a new copy which saved as a macro-enabled workbook. Test the button, the range A to C will hide when clicking the button for first time, and the column A to C will appear when the button clicked a second time. We can also hide or show a single column with other multiple columns all together. In this example the button will hide the column H together with A, B, and C. Go to Developer tab, activate Design Mode. Double-click on the button, the VBA window will appear again. Add range 2 as string, and the range 2 will equal to H inside double quotations. Then copy this line and paste it just below the first line, change range 1 to range 2, and also change the captions. Save the code, and switch off the Design Mode in Developer tab, then test the button. The column H will hide with column A, B, and C when the button clicked. It is also possible to create 2 or more buttons to control the columns and ranges to be hide or unhide separately.